How to uninstall and delete apps in Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways from which you can delete your application in Android. So without any further ado, let us get started. So for Android, it's really simple. All you have to do is long tap the app that you would like to uninstall. Once you do so, you will see select, remove and uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. As you do so, your app will be successfully installed. You can also do this by going to your Settings app. For that, open up your Settings, scroll below to your apps. Here, simply search for any app that you would like to delete. Once you do so, at the bottom of the page, you will see Open, Uninstall and Force Stop. Tap on Uninstall and tap on OK. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.